As the Secretary to Cabinet has said, of course I would have said, well, Minister, come to my office, come with your ED, come with your other DEDs and so forth, but I think I would have missed the opportunity to meet you and to appreciate the kaleidoscope of professionals that are in front of me, and I want you to give yourself a round of applause. So we have come just to meet you, and through you, all the other stakeholders that are in 121 constituencies and 14 regions of our country. If it were possible, we would have wanted to do that. But at a later time, we will do that. We will go to every corner of the country and meet the stakeholders. So we are only here to meet and greet, but we are also here to say that each one of you is important, as well as others that are not here. All stakeholders in education are very important. Our learners are very important. Our parents are very important. And of course, the government is a very important stakeholder. So, it's not year on fruit. Yeah?